Hi, I'm Mark from Lyre, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the Lyre Amaretti Sour. Amaretti sours were invented and became popular in the States in the 1970s when Italian liqueurs started entering the market. Sours now are one of the most popular drinks ordered over a bar. We're going to be using the Lyre Amaretti, which is really rich in almond. We actually use an almond distillate in the product where we distill almonds and extract the alcohol. If you think about almonds, they're such a hard nut. It's the only way we can really extract flavor. On the nose, you get those classic marzipan notes, as well as vanilla, obviously almond, and a lovely sweetness. I'm gonna spill this straight into my shaker, and I'm gonna give it a pretty generous slug of 2.5 shots or 75 mils of the Lyre Amaretti. To that, I'm gonna add 15 mils of chickpea juice. Now, normally this recipe calls for egg white, like 10-15 mils of egg white. I'm gonna keep it vegan, and you can actually use the juice that's inside the can of a chickpea. So I'm just gonna use 15 mils of that. It has the same effect. It actually homogenizes the drink and gives it that lovely foam and froth that you expect from an amaretto sour. Next, I'm gonna add 15 mils of fresh lemon juice. This is the sour element of the drink. And to balance that out, I'm just gonna add just a teaspoon, 5 mils of sugar syrup. The final element will be some aromatic bitters. If you're completely abstaining from alcohol, you could choose to leave this out. I think it just adds a lovely extra level of complexity to the drink. Now we're gonna do something called dry shaking, and that's shaking the cocktail without ice. And the reasons why we do that is to build the drink and get all those flavors to homogenize, but we don't want to actually dilute the drink with ice. So I'm gonna give it a nice hard shake just for 5 or 6 seconds. Beautiful. I'll take the lid off my shaker, and I'm gonna add a handful of ice. I'm gonna give it another hard shake just for a couple of seconds, just to cool the drink down. That's all. You can see that lovely foamy texture already. I'm going to double strain that straight into a rocks glass here. So you can already see that froth starting to build. I'm going to add a handful of ice. And to garnish, I'm going to keep it pretty simple today. I'm going to go for a slice of fresh lemon. And then, just to be cheeky, another little dash of bitters on top. And there you have it, the Lyre Amaretti Sour. For me, this is the closest Lyre cocktail to the originals. Because you're adding so many different levels of complexity through bitters, sweetness, acidity, it tastes really close to a normal amaretto sour, obviously without the guilt of having booze. So cheers. Perfect one to enjoy after a meal.